There you are, guys. Perfect Peking sauce. Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today, Peking sauce. Now this is an easy recipe to make, but there's a secret ingredient. And I can tell you now, the majority of people making a Peking sauce on the internet are making a version of a Hoisin sauce. They do not include the ingredient that is included in Peking sauce. And you know, I'll give it away right now. This is the secret ingredient to Peking sauce. So like I say, most people are making a version of a Hoisin sauce, you know, but that is the secret ingredient to a Peking sauce. I'll show you how to make the Peking sauce, and I'll tell you about the secret ingredient which is included in Peking sauce. Let's show you how to do it. Come on. Okay, there's a bundle of ingredients, guys, okay? Now, I'm not going to make any bones about that, you know, but like I say, people on the internet do not make a Peking sauce. They do not have the real flavor to Peking sauce. I'll show you how to make it. Okay, first ingredient then, about a 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, rice wine vinegar, about 2 tablespoons of Hoisin wine, now what we're going to do, we're going to put all this in this pan. We're going to mix it up in this pan. Now you can mix it up in a jar if you want, or in something else, and add it to the pan, but it's pointless. We mix it all up in the pan. Golden syrup. You know, I'm using golden syrup, but you can use honey, 2 tablespoons of honey, which makes a really nice sauce. Or you can use brown sugar. Don't worry about it. I'm using golden syrup just to keep everything loose in the pan. And then what we've got, if I can get the lid off, we want 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. That's in there. And that's bog standard regular pearl soy sauce. We want 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. And again, that is just dark pearl soy sauce. Now we want about 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. That'll do. 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil. Now, you've got to be careful with sesame oil, you know. Sesame oil can be really overpowering if you put too much in. Now, we've got 80 mils, or grams if you weigh it out, 80 mils of tomato ketchup. Get that in there. Now, that's adding a depth of flavour into here, which you cannot get, but you can use tomato paste if you so wish. You know, water it down. But the ketchup's already got the vinegar and the sugars and everything in there. It's perfect for this dish. Now, we've got 100 mils of water. And to that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons, or I'm going to add 1 heaped tablespoon of corn flour. And we're going to give that a mix. So mix that round. Now that's going to be our thickening agent, and you know, we might have to add a little bit more. It depends how thick we want this. So stir that round in there, and then add that to our sauce mix. There we go. Now don't worry about being white and cloudy in there. It just goes to clear without a problem. Okay guys, as promised, this is the secret ingredient to our Peking sauce. 100% the ingredient that turns this into a Peking sauce. Now I'm holding it there long enough so people can see that. Now it's called Tian Mian Jiang. Now I don't know if I said that properly in Chinese, but Tian Mian Jiang, okay? It's a sweet paste. Now It's not a soybean paste. Hoisin sauce is a soybean paste. This is a wheat, fermented wheat paste, and this has the taste of Peking sauce. If this is not included in the recipe for Peking sauce, you ain't making a Peking sauce. That is 100% simple. And for this, guys, you know, and don't be frightened if you're not sure what it is, give it a taste, you know. Umami, salty, everything with the hidden flavors of a Peking sauce. That is it. Okay, so we want 2 tablespoons of this. 1, 2. Get that in there. All we have to do now, guys, flame on, not too high, because of all the sugars and things that are in this pan. There is quite a lot of water, but we are making a sauce. And then all we're going to do is cook this sauce nice and gently until it thickens up. It's as easy as that. And this makes a perfect Peking sauce. Now, if you take it too far, because don't forget this is going to thicken up, water, in with a splash of water, thin the sauce, reheat it to the thickness that you want. You're in control of your sauce. You've got the perfect Peking sauce already made in this pan. You know, and this is the ingredient. If this ingredient is not included in your Peking sauce, you have not made a Peking sauce. Now, there are a couple of different brands of this, but this is the traditional one, which is used in most Peking sauce restaurants. So there we are, guys. Peking sauce made. Turn off the heat. Now this will thicken as it cools down, but that is Peking sauce made properly. So none of this stuff that's on the internet where they're all making a hoisin sauce. It has to include Tian Mian Jiang, fermented wheat paste. There you are, guys. Perfect Peking sauce. There we are, guys, Peking sauce made. Can you eat it? You can. That is real Peking sauce. Salty, sweet, a little bit of sour in there. That is real Peking sauce for dipping or on shredded beef or anything. Now, if you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff, and we'll catch you in the next video. Oh, and by the way, guys, because we've cooked this already, you can store this in the fridge, and I can tell you it will last up to 3 weeks, 4 weeks, but it won't stay there that long. Take care.